Hey guys, Rusty here at Ugly HP. Today I'm working on the infamous tow truck. Ran into an issue that I knew I was going to hit sooner or later. PTO, the bearing seized up on the pulley. Now this is a pulley that is nearly non-existent. I cannot find it. So we did find a Gates pulley. It's a little bit smaller and the overall diameter. This is a Gates 36091. It accepts the 5/8 bolt that goes through it. If you're in a pinch, what we did find out is you can run your standard belt on the outside without the pulley. What the pulley does help is the pulley helps the inside belt stay off of the water pump pulley. So if you are in a pinch, you can run this, and it's clear of any obstructions or anything like that. So this is the one that we found. Obviously a 1-inch socket. This will help bring down the belt enough to stay away from those bolts. If anybody is able to find this exact pulley, I was able to see online some that look similar, but nothing that had this actual height for this Muncie PTO system that they put on the old 96 wreckers. But this right here will take care of it. We don't need the outside grooves because we have groove there and a groove on the crank, so that'll keep it good. This is just gonna take it out of the way of the water pump. But check us out on Facebook, hit the like button, subscribe. I'll show you what it looks like once we get it all together. Alright guys, so here's what we got. We got our pulley in, and as you can see, we are out of the way of those bolts. I already ran it. There's room back here if I can get the camera back there, because of the way the water pump goes. That's not touching anything. As you can see, without that pulling it down, it'll hit those bolts. Now, if I could get a bigger pulley, I'm going to swap in a bigger pulley, but as of right now, this is what we got. So, hey, hit the subscribe and comment if you know where I can get the actual pulley. Because I like to have the actual stuff in here. But thanks guys for watching.